Hello Neblu Healthy family. We're absolutely thrilled to have almost 4,000 of you with us on this journey towards better health. Your support and enthusiasm are the fuel that drives us to keep bringing you the best in health and wellness content. We can't thank you enough. Now, are you ready for today's exciting topic? We're going to talk about something that's crucial, especially for our community members in their golden years: nerve health. We've got a list of the top 8 foods that are not only delicious, but also incredibly beneficial for your nerves. So if you're over 60 or even if you're not, stick around to nourish your nerves with us. Ever wonder what to eat to keep your nerves healthy, especially as you age? Welcome back to Neblu Healthy, where we believe wellness knows no bounds. Today we're focusing on nerve health, a topic that becomes increasingly important as we journey through life. We'll be exploring 8 fantastic foods that can support your nerves, whether you're managing chronic conditions, dealing with age-related changes, or simply looking to prioritize your well-being. Ready to discover these 8 wonder foods? Let's dive in. Let's dive. First up on our journey to nerve health, we have salmon. This flavorful fish is a powerhouse of nutrients, most notably omega-3 fatty acids. As we journey through life, our bodies may become more susceptible to nerve damage and inflammation. But fear not, because salmon is here to lend a helping fin. Rich in essential nutrients, it supports nerve repair and regeneration, helping to keep us in tip-top shape even as we age. Now let's swim over to our next food, the creamy, nutrient-dense avocado. This green gem is packed to the brim with vitamin E and healthy fats. Vitamin E, known for its antioxidant properties, is a veritable nerve protector. It can help shield nerve cells from damage and promote healing, making it a key player in maintaining nerve health as we age. 2 delicious options down. Let's move on to some sweet treats for your nerves. Who said nerve health can't be sweet? Let's talk berries. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are not just delightful to the taste buds. They are also jam-packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. These power-packed nutrients wage war against oxidative stress and lend a helping hand to nerve cell repair. So, whether you're enjoying them in your morning smoothie or as a snack, berries make an excellent addition to your diet, especially if you're over 60. Now, let's turn our attention to a leafy green champion, spinach. If you recall Popeye's love for this vegetable, you'll understand why. Spinach is a veritable trove of nutrients, boasting high levels of vitamin K, folate, and antioxidants. Vitamin K in particular is a star player in nerve protection and repair. So, whether it's in your salad or your stir-fry, spinach is a prime pick for anyone looking to support their nerve health. Now, let's crack open our next nerve-nourishing food. Speaking of cracking open, have you considered walnuts for your nerve health? These brain-shaped nuts are more than just a tasty snack. They're a triple threat when it comes to nerve health, packed with omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamin E. Each of these nutrients plays a key role in supporting nerve repair and regeneration. So, add a handful to your morning cereal or sprinkle them over your salad for a healthful crunch. Now let's move on to a vegetable that's a true champion in the realm of nerve health: broccoli. While it may not be everyone's favorite, its benefits are undeniable. Broccoli is brimming with vitamin C, vitamin K, and antioxidants. These nutrients work in harmony to support nerve function and help protect against cellular damage. So, embrace the power of this green veggie and let it be a regular guest on your dinner plate. Next, we're spicing things up with a golden healer. Adding a dash of turmeric can do more than just spice up your meals. This golden-hued wonder is a potent healer for damaged nerves. The secret is in its active compound, curcumin, which wields powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Whether you incorporate it in your curries, sip it in your teas, or take it as a supplement, turmeric can help reduce inflammation and support nerve regeneration. Now let's transition to our final food, the juicy orange. Don't underestimate these citrusy delights. They're packed with vitamin C, an essential nutrient for nerve health. This vitamin is a potent antioxidant and plays a key role in maintaining the health of nerves. So, whether you're enjoying a fresh orange slice or drinking a glass of freshly squeezed orange juice, you're giving your nerves a boost of this necessary nutrient. And that's it. 8 fantastic foods to keep your nerves healthy and happy. So there you have it, folks. We've journeyed through 8 nerve-nourishing foods: the mighty salmon, creamy avocado, antioxidant-rich berries, nutrient-dense spinach, brain-boosting walnuts, vitamin-packed broccoli, healing turmeric, and refreshing oranges. Each of these foods offers unique benefits, especially for seniors, in supporting nerve health. Don't hesitate to incorporate these dietary powerhouses into your meals. Remember, your journey to nerve health can be delicious. Before we wrap it up, you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to Knee Blue Healthy for more informative videos. Feel free to like, share, and comment below. We love hearing your thoughts and feedback. Until next time, stay vibrant, stay healthy.